Imagine a shopping event so vast it puts the galaxies to shame. A day so packed with deals it dwarfs even the mighty Black Friday. Welcome to the universe of Amazon Prime Day, a 2-day extravaganza that's set to commence October 10th, 2023. Don't forget to check out the links for these incredible deals in the description below. This shopping spectacle is perfectly timed, as research shows that around 30% of consumers kickstart their holiday shopping in October. Amazon Prime Day deals are already up for grabs, promising discounts that can compete with the best of Black Friday. A few notable deals are already turning heads. For instance, the Fikey cordless vacuum, a marvel of modern cleaning, is available at a staggering discount of over 80%. A 42-inch Fire TV is priced under $150, offering entertainment on a grand scale without the grand price. For the tech enthusiasts, Apple AirPods are available for less than $100, and an Apple iPad is going for $60 less than its usual price. A set of 2 ultra-comfortable Beckham Hotel Collection pillows are priced around $30, promising a royal slumber to its owners. And let's not forget the home essentials. The Yankee Candle's Kitchen Spice scent, a delightful aroma that can fill a home with warmth and charm, is on sale for under $20. In short, Amazon Prime Day is a shopping event that offers an astounding array of deals and discounts. For limited time deals, October 10th and 11th, 2023. From household essentials to tech gadgets, it's an event that caters to a wide range of needs and wants. This year, the event is set to be bigger and better than ever, with deals that give even Black Friday a run for its money. So, gear up for this shopping extravaganza and make the most of these fantastic discounts. That's all for our Prime Day deals preview, but don't just take our word for it, see for yourself. We encourage you to explore these deals and find the perfect items that suit your needs. Remember, the links for all the items we've mentioned are conveniently located in the description below. If you are watching this after October 11th, 2023, then the sale is over. But keep up with us for other deals and next AI discoveries and recommendations, so don't wait. Click the links in the description below and start shopping now. Happy Prime Day!